Children, in today's practical class, we will learn about icons. What are icons? Whatever you can see on this desktop are called your icons. These are the small symbol or picture which represent your files, folder and program. Now let us see some of the common used icon like your PC icon. It consists of drives and related content which store in these drives. If you will double click on it, you can see these drives are there: C drive, D drive and G drive, where you can store all your files and folders. Then come your application icon. Application icon which represent your graphical image of application like your Word and Paint. Then come your shortcut icon. These icon are some which the user directly use from the desktop, like your this icon where you have the arrow mark on your left corner. Then your document icons. These are the icons which are present on the taskbar, and these you can resize by clicking on the icons. Then come to your network icon, which allow the user to access files and folder which are shared on your network, that is your internet. Then your recycle bin, where all your deleted files and folder are present. If you want to restore them, you can go to this restore tab, and if you will click it, all these deleted files will be on your restored on your computer. Then we will learn how to customize the desktop. To customize the desktop means to change the color of the screen of the desktop. We can the steps are like right click on the blank area and select the personalize option. One window will open up. Here you can go to window color. When you will click it, so many colors are there. Whichever color you want, you can choose it, and you can see the colors has changed. And you can activate it by clicking on save changes. Then we will go for the option enable transparency. If you will tick it, then you can have your color transparency. Do it. Then you will click save changes, and we can see that the taskbar as well as the start button will change its color. Now we will see how to customize the window setup, like if you want to change your date and time or your speaker's volume. So first we will see how to change the date and time. You just click on the start button. There you can see control panel is there. Click the control panel. One window will open up. Here you will go for clock, language and region. Just you see, select date and time. And now you can change whatever changes you have to do in your date and time. Like you see, click on change date and time. Today is 29, so it is set. If you want to change it to 30, then you can click on 30. That means 30, it will show you 30th June. Then timing, if you want to change, then here drop up and down arrow is there to set the time. So whatever things you have to change, you can change it, and you can click on OK, so it will be set up. Then come to the volume of the speaker. How to set the volume of the speaker? Go to your notification area. There you will see one speaker icon is there. You will click it. See, you can see one pop-up icon has came here. If you want to increase the volume, you can drag it up, and if you want to decrease the volume, you can drag it down. So like this you can set your volume of the speaker. Now children, we will see how to use the shortcut menu. You can see, if like your computer icon is there, if I will click right button, there you can see create shortcut. If I will click on it, it will create a shortcut. You can see it came here. This is your shortcut menu for your PC icon. Now we will see when we will right click on the blank area and go to the personalize option, we can see what all changes we can do to our computer desktop, like your desktop background, window color, sound and screen saver can be changed at a time. Then if you want to know about an icon, right click, you will see properties. If you will click on properties, it will tell you what all things are there in this icon. It will give you the detailed information of that icon, whichever you want to see. Thank you.